guys, my name is Michael and I discuss about the mobile. It is a mobile is Samsung Galaxy A53 rupees coming soon. Expected rupees 81,999. Samsung Galaxy A53 price in Pakistan. Samsung A53 price A53 price in Pakistan is expected to be rupees 81,999. Samsung Galaxy A53 expected to the language on December 13, 2021. This is 6 GB RAM and 126 GB internet storage variation of Samsung, which is available in black, white, blue, peach color. Expected price of Samsung Galaxy A53 Pakistan in rupees 81,999. Expected price of Samsung in USB is 611. Samsung Galaxy A53 mid-range of a service. Samsung in work on a Galaxy smartphone. The company is unveiling success of Galaxy A53, A52s, and rumors have relayed read strange doing round on the internet. The coming smartphone will be an Asus as and it will be a mid-range segment and R is called Samsung Galaxy A53. The coming smartphone will be powered by the capacity chipset. The handset will the processor will provide the user will power result. The device has a 2.4 Ghz Octa-Core process. The displays of the Samsung Galaxy A53 in 6.5 inches long, and the specific thing about the displays of the handset is that it has a super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen panel. The sources of the displays will be 1080 multiplied by 2400 pixels, which is the best setting of resourcing in the class. The Samsung Galaxy A53 going to run the upcoming smartphone with an Android 12 operation. And Samsung also there is protection to glass of coming in glorious glass. The device also get RAM with a memory capacity of 8 gigabytes. Samsung Galaxy A53 detail specification: build OS Android 12 OS, UI 1, UI 4.1, dimensions 159.6 multiplied by 74.8 multiplied 8.1 millimeter, weight 189 gram, SIM, dual SIM, dual standard, color black, white, blue, peach, frequency GB branch S1 GSM 850 to 900 180 190, SIM 2 GSM 850 900 800 and 900, 3 GB HSBP 850 over 90 over 170, AWS 190 or 2100.